Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to generate Jmeter HTML report in non-GUI mode load test. Okay. Topic is how to generate Jmeter HTML report in non-GUI mode load test. Okay. You need to generate the only without any test you already available any CSV or JTL files. You need to generate the HTML report first one. Second one, during the load test, you need to generate the HTML report. Third one, directly in remote test, means a remote or distributed load testing, you need to generate the HTML report. Okay. First one. First topic is generate HTML report through .csv file or .jtl. Sorry, it's a .jtl file. Okay, what is the syntax you need to use it? First of all, you have a CSV file. Okay, you can go to the CSV file, go to the E folder. I go and this is the file. You can go to the location E folder. You can take distributed load test. I have already done my test. I will take in this one. You can copy that one. .csv file. Guys, you need to remember there is a format is .csv file or .jtl file. You are running for the any test. That time you need to give in the format is results format .csv file or JTL file. Both files will be working. Okay, I am using only CSV only. You can try for JTL also. Okay, this is the CSV file. Now I need to use the command. What is the command I need to use it? First of all, you need to open the command prompt. Okay. Now you need to go to the Jmeter bin folder. Okay, this is the Jmeter bin folder. Copy this one. You can paste it. Okay. After go to the command prompt. Type the first of all. You can see this is E folder. This is everything is E folder. First of all, moving to the C folder to E folder, I need to move. I will type the E colon. Moving to the E folder. After type the CD space, you can enter the your enter until bin. You need to provide the path. You can enter na. You will coming to directly E folder path. Okay, you are now in Jmeter bin folder. Now, what is the command you need to pass it? Okay, you have only CSV file. CSV file used to you need to generate the HTML report. That time, what is the command? No? Jmeter -g -g means result of .csv file or -g means path of the result file .csv or .jtl. This is the path after -o. What is the meaning that one? Na? Result path of the HTML file. Yeah, this is the command, guys. The command format is same only. There is no any difference. Okay, now you need to create the um, executing command. You can type the Jmeter hyphen G space. You need to provide the path of the result file dot csv or JTL. I need to give the CSV. This is the CSV. You can copy and you can paste it. After hyphen O space result path you need to provide. Result path means I need to create this place only. Guys, you can see I will take this one. Okay, I will paste it. I will type the in capital HTML. That's all. This is only my result file. Copy that one. You need to paste it. Okay, you need to provide this is the command. After okay, you already provide all the details. Jmeter hyphen G path of the CSV file or JTL file hyphen O path of the result file. Okay, yes, you need to take this command. It's a very simple only. It's not take more than. But guys, you need to remember your test will running. It is a very user load, high level user load. The long duration will be running the test. That time you need to generate that all the data to HTML report will take some time. Okay, based on your how much duration will running, how much of user load. Okay, based on the CSV file or JTL file. Remember that point. Now I need to give into the file. This is now in Jmeter bin folder. The path will be given Jmeter hyphen G path of the CSV file hyphen O path of the result file. Result file means E colon HTML. That's all. Okay. Yeah, you can click on enter. You can see the cursor is running now. It's running only. It did not showing anything. It did not show. Yeah, it's already done. You will even automatically you will moving to next one. It's done. You can go to E folder. Yeah, you can see it's already generated na HTML file. You can go. You can open the index file. Okay, is Microsoft Edge will be showing maybe your means your systems. You will come Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome or Safari based on which file you configured by default. That one will be came. Yeah, the file everything is open. This is the distributed load test.csv. Start time 11 a.m. Today only test will running and 11:31 will be ended time. Around 20 minutes will be executed. Yeah, request you can there is no fail, everything is pass. These are the transactions. Appendix will become how much time will be executed and what is the threshold, all the details. Okay, you need to check this one. This is the main part, statistics. You can see all the transactions, how many requests will executed each, how many failed, no errors, average response time, minimum, maximum, median. Sometime will be taken, sometime clients he did not ask, but 90, 95, 95th percentile will be taken. Most of the time 95th will be taken. And transactions per second means it's a throughput will be taken. It's a received is a sent. Okay, and he don't have any errors. Okay, nothing but total sample 19, total 20,000 will be executed samplers, but there no errors. Okay, report is nice. This is the dashboard. You can go to charts. First of all, over time there are so many graphs, guys. You need, I am not able to explain all the things today. Topic is different. Just I will show you. You can you also try this one and you need to check what are the graphs will be generated, how we need to use. Okay, this is the response time over time. This is response time percentile over time. You can see the graph how we need actually this is the only general demo test only I will perform. That reason this graph will become. You need to run from step by step, increase the load and duration and ramp down will be set up now. That time the graph will become same time only. Active thread over time, how much will be utilization, throughput over time. This is the, you can see all users suddenly will be executed higher level and keep on running and running you can ramp down. Okay, latency how we need to work, it's some little bit constant only. Connection type, connection also good, there is no any issue, it's done that one. After go to throughput, it's one of the important hit per second how it will be moving. And first one is the code per second. Code per second also same, means the response you can see 200 is a very higher level, but 302 also is there but some little bit low. Okay, you need to check what is the 200, 201, 300, 400, 404, 500. Okay, transaction also same, transaction per second graph also, total transaction per second also same only, the number of transactions, lapse time. But the clients how we need to expecting now these graphs all the things, you're not able to show this all the things what is going on. Okay, what you will do now, you can go to your Excel, you can create some rows and columns and you need to give the user load. Well, you can give the user load, what is the throughput, otherwise you need to give the throughput. Example 10 TPS, how many user load, 20 TPS, how many user load, same way only until 100 TPS, how many user load. This all the things you need to convert the x and y axis based graph you need to generate. In Excel sheet available that options, you need to generate now how many users will be executed. Okay, how much of throughput will be came, how many hits will be sent, how much of throughput will be came, how many users time, how many errors will be came, error rate. Okay, users executing time, what is the average response time. You need everything you need to show to the Excel. What is that one, it's a table type, you need to provide the details and below you need to provide the graphical type. It's a graph type you need to provide it now, the clients easily will understand. And the same time you are the performance tester, or what are the things you need to done your test, all the efforts you need to provide to the graphical representation to show to the clients. Okay, you need to representing to client explanation, this is also one of the talent. Okay, what is the management team will be doing, that is only. Okay, that people you don't know technical, but you know how you need to present to the clients, you also you need to learn and you can show them clearly what you need to express yourself. Okay, it's this is also important point. After response time versus request. Okay, how the response will be, you can see this is the response time and global number of requests per second. Request how we need to go, response how we need to came, everything is success only, no failure. Latency versus request also same. Now there is no time guys, that reason only I will moving fastly. You need to generate these reports and you need to check everything. After response time, it's an important one, response time percentile, how we need to respond. You can see why I will take a 90 percentile and 99 95 percentile. Now you can see the response everything is good until to 90 after will be increased, it is very huge. You will take 90 is best, 95 also some best, but you don't take remaining 5% will go for very high, it's wrong. Okay, response time over. Okay, you can see everything is represented, request per error no errors, but a request having response time greater than 1500 milliseconds mean 1.5 seconds, it's a very less percentage. Request having response time greater than 500 milliseconds and greater than equal to 1500 means 5 seconds, sorry 0.5 seconds to 1.5 seconds, this one. and request having response time less than equal to 500. Below 500 means 0.5 seconds below, this is the top response. Okay, it's a good, the test is passed. After time versus thread, okay, this is the graphs will be showing response time distribution. You can see it's a very picture representation will become. But on the same time, this data based, you also yourself in Excel sheet you can generate your own graphs. You can learn that one also. That one also very useful for the report preparation time. Easily need to prepare the reports and show to the clients. Okay, sorry, for custom graphs over time, you yourself only you need to prepare anything graphs na, you can mention this place. You can remember guys, this is also based on query based only will work. You need to see this all graphs, throughput, hit per second, everything. This is also one of the Excel sheet. You can understand from the load runner, Jmeter, Neoload, Login VSI, Oracle Words, IBM RPT. You can understand the how these graphs reports will be generated to the in that licensed. Okay, license also some people will be developed na. You have a developing knowledge. That time this Excel sheets based, how you need to write the queries only will be generated. Example, you have knowledge about from Splunk tool, you need to write some Splunk queries and you need to generate the reports. In performance reports will be generated. The same type only, you have a developing knowledge now. That time yourself also you need to develop. Clients most of the time what type of reports will be asking, that type of reports you need to generate and you need to add it to this HTML report generation commands in backend in Jmeter. Automatically the reports will be generated, and not only me, there are so many people will be get the benefit. And the same time Selenium also, they do not have any proper reporting format. Okay, that one also means, example, your project point of view, what are the code you developed. Okay, I never ask same code only, you need to copy and you need to that idea only, you can copy that idea. That idea based yourself you need to develop, and you can mention your name and commit the code to the Jmeter or Selenium, any open source tools na. Means that reporting format some little most number of peoples will be get the benefit, and you also use one of the time. Okay, that reason I will told to you. That's all guys, this report it is done. You need to, you understand now how we need to generate directly based on CSV file, you need to generate the report. It's a first method. Now I need to delete it, the reason its time is over, that one. Okay, now there is a second method. Generate HTML report through load test. Remember, this is normal load test, they do not have any distributor test. It's a through load test. How generate HTML report through load test, how we need to generate? There is a command Jmeter -n-t. -t means path of the Jmeter script or JMX file. Done. After -l. -l means path of the result file, or you can call to the .csv file, or .jtl file. You need to close and given command. Okay, this is the command guys. Jmeter -n-t, path of the Jmeter script or JMX file, -l, path of the result file, or .csv file or .jtl file. Okay, and Now you need to give into the HTML report format space -e -o. It's a very important command. -e space -o given to the path of the HTML path of the HTML file. Okay, this is only command, guys. You need to give in to the directly generate the test. Okay, now I will create the command. First the Jmeter -n-t path of the JMX. Okay, where is available in JMX file? Go to the E folder. You can see there is a folder parameterization. I am already created this one. Sorry, you need to take this one. .jmx. Okay, you can give into the .jmx -l path of the result file. You need to provide the any one result file. Example, I will take one result file. Guys, this is a new result file I created. Okay, load test 1.csv. Okay, this is the result file, load test 1.csv. I will provide it. After what is the command? You can see -e -o -e space -o space. You need to give the HTML. I will give this is the file path :HTML. Okay, it's done. It's creating done the file. Okay, you need to open the Jmeter script. Now this is the script, guys. :parameterization .jmx. This is the file. This is the test plan. Thread group I will give into the 10 user load. 5 seconds is the ramp up infinity, and specify thread lifetime 300 seconds means just 5 minutes only is the testing purpose. That reason remaining is a small transactions. It's not a more than. It's a JPEG store application. You also go and record the flow. Just launch the URL, login, and select the product and just log out. That's all. There is nothing else, anything. This is only flow. You need to set all the settings and you need to save. After, go to the file. Now you need to generate HTML file through load test directly. You can go to the file, you can paste it. You can see it's a folder until Jmeter bin. After Jmeter -n-t path of the JMX -l path of the CSV or GTL file -e -o path of the HTML report. Okay, guys, you can go to the. You can see I am already deleted the HTML file. They do not have. Now you need to run the test. Just click on enter. You can wait for a way, just 5 minutes only, not more than. You need to remember, guys, this is okay. I'm very sorry. I'm already created that one, load test 1. I will give into the load test 2. You can give any one new name. That's all. Yeah, I will give in. Okay, it's running now. You need to remember this is only in Jmeter in command mode. Normal load test. This is not distributed test, is a normal load test. Okay, the test is running now. Just you need to watch. You can see already it's the time 5 seconds. It's the average, minimum, maximum, error percentage, active 10 threads, started 10, finished 0. Okay, It's running, just you can hold on, wait for a way. Once test will completed now, I will show you. Okay, it's running. It's already 1 minute completed, remaining 4 minutes, just you can patient. Yeah, 2 minutes also will done, remaining 3 minutes only. Please practice, guys. Okay, just my experience only, I will explain to you these videos. You need to practice. Without practice na, you will face many problems. Once you need to enter to the in ODC, in company ODC you enter na, you don't know technical knowledge, how we need to do, how we need to talk to the clients and team members or team leads or managers. Something issue will become na, you don't stop. Okay, you need to research that one. You need to check to the Google, YouTube, blogs, websites, all the things you need to talk that one. And who is your friends from as performance test engineers, you need to call the persons and need to get the some information. You don't have any idea, that way you need to get the knowledge and you need to take the challenge that work and you need to solve. Okay, at the same time, as a performance tester you need to learn some programming knowledge also. The reason every time you need to communicate to the development team only, that reason you need to learn some development knowledge now. You easily you able to prepare the scripts, execution and reportings, and you need to find out the issues, how we need to solve everything. You need to recommendations you need to provide to the development team. Okay, yeah, you can learn, that is your benefit only. Yeah, just remaining 1 minute, it's done. Once the test is completed now, I will show you that one. The CSV file is load test 2.csv and HTML report directly e:/HTML only. Yeah, remaining 30 seconds. Okay, the test is done. You can see in Jmeter terminology, once you will coming to the tidying up, it's a Java technology. No? Tidying up will become the test is done. This is the starting time. This is the ending time. Okay, will come. Once the test is completed, no? You can go to directly in E folder. You can see HTML will generate, na? You can go and you need to open the index file. You can configure, guys, this file, this browser. You can by default which browser will selected, that one only will generate. Yeah, no issues. Same test also. Okay, your report also will successfully generated, no issues. And same, you can see there are so many graphs. Okay, over time. Okay, based on your test, you can check it. This all the things I'm already show you now. Same only, there is nothing else. Okay. Okay. Now I need to delete this one. This time also will complete it. Okay. Now another one. Okay. Third one is generate HTML report through remote distributed load test. This is the important point, guys. Okay, you can run from the higher user load. It's not possible to execute your system. It's a hardware limitation. That time you can run the multiple slave missions, remote and master and slave mechanism you can use. Na? That time, how we need to execute through command prompt to generate the HTML report. What is the command? Same only. There is nothing else. You can use. You can type this one. Maybe you can use easily. Copy this file, paste it. You can see Jmeter -n-t path of the Jmeter script or a JMX file -l path of the result file or .csv file or JTL file -e-o path of the HTML file. After space capital R, open capital R. What you need to provide? IP address of the remote mission. IP address of the remote mission or host name. Both will be accepted, guys. Yeah. This is, guys, is a big file will be generated. Now you need to generate the command. You can take same command only. It's already available. Okay. You can give to load test new file. You need to give 3. Script is same. Load test example after capital R. I need to provide the IP address, guys. Before you need to provide the IP address, what you need to do? There is a one example. I can go to the directly. I will open another command prompt. Okay, you need to find out the IP address for Windows. IP config. You can type na. You will came IP address. This is my IP address. Copy. You can close this one and you need to paste it. Okay, it's done. Okay, you can run the through remote distributed method. Na? First of all, you need to copy this IP address. Go to your Jmeter bin folder. Under bin folder, you need to find out the Jmeter properties file. You can see Jmeter properties file in my system, but your system maybe you will come Jmeter and properties file or Jmeter dot properties will be came. You can open that file, expand, press the Ctrl F. You can type the remote host, press enter. You can find out the remote host and RMI configuration. You have this configuration setup. You have this one. You can see hash remote underscore host is equal 127.0.0.1. You need to copy this one, remove to the hash. You need to paste to this place. Remote underscore host is equal to, I will paste. I am already pasted the my mission IP address. You have multiple missions, comma. You need to mention to the comma after remaining IP address, comma next one, comma next one, comma next one. You need to provide any number of IP address denoted the commas only. After you can save the file, you can close. It's done for the configuration of the Jmeter. Once IP address is configuration is done, after you need to remember this is not normal load test. This is the distributed load test. -R means multiple remote missions running to distributed or remote test. That time what you need to do now, you can go to the Jmeter bin folder. There is another work. It's a small only. You can see it's a Jmeter underscore server batch file, window batch file. Window batch file means it's a PowerShell script. You have anything knowledge about PowerShell script? Okay, you able to easily need to create these files. Actually, is a company, na? The company, there are different teams will create this all Java files, PowerShell script files, JavaScript files, database files. This all the things will done. But you in test engineers, you have really knowledge. You able to easily understand how we need to work. Okay, there is some small code only available under. You need to run that server in backend. Okay. Okay, this is the Jmeter server for Windows systems. This is the Jmeter underscore server. It's a Linux or Mac computers. This is a Jmeter server.bat file. This is .sh file. Okay, now I need to run the Jmeter server. Just double click na. It will open and it will come some. Just a minute. It will come. Yeah, this one. Created remote object. Unicast servers and endpoint our server will be came. Okay, once this one will be came now, it's ready for the you need to start the test. Okay, now you need to copy the command. Yeah, you can copy this entirely. It's a very simple method. Okay, this is the remote server is started. You can go to and paste that. Okay, you can see until there is a bin folder jmeter -n-t path of the jmx -l path of the result file load test 3.csv -e-o path of the html file and capital R. It's a remote test. R means remote. It's a multiple remote servers you need to test the server. Capital R. Small r means single mission remote test. Okay, I will give to the my IP address. Just you can click on enter. Wait for a way, same configuration I will give to the previous script. Just 5 minutes only the test will be executed. Yeah, tree is created. Yes, it started. You can see configuring remote engine. Our IP address 192.168.137.1. The request command will be given and remote server will be accepted. You can see guys, this command starting the test on host same IP address and time will be provided. Starting will be done until completion of the test completion. Same only after I will show you. The test is running now. Just hold on, just 5 minutes only. It's not more than. Once the test is completed, the report I will show you. Okay, not only this method, there are so many methods available. Why I need to show you this all the methods now? Maybe your time. There is one method is not working, you can try for another method you can generate. Okay, you can fulfill your requirement. That reason. Yes, it's done for 2 minutes, remaining 3 minutes only, it's not more than. Just wait, remaining 3 minutes only, will test is completed. Yeah, it's already done 4 minutes, remaining 1 minute only. Yeah, remaining 30 seconds. Yeah, it's done that one. Already came now. Tidying up remote test. You can see previously will showing tidying up only. It's tidying up remote. Remote test is completed. Okay, and off run. It's coming to the general bin location. Now you need to go to the same Jmeter E folder. Yeah, you can see it's already generated load test 3 file CSV and HTML report. You need to open, go to index. Yeah, you can see previous test same only, there is nothing else. Okay, yeah, report is generated and all the statistics will be generated. Okay, after no errors, and the charts also same. Okay, same charts only. Okay, I'm not able to show you remaining, it says same only, there is nothing else. Okay, yeah. And you need to remember, you can observe one thing, you can see load test 3.csv, the csv file based only will be generated this report. Okay, yeah, that's all guys. Today test everything is done. Okay, you able to see now this all the files. This is generated through distributed test based html report. This is normal load test will be generated the report. without any test how we need to generate the report. Okay, this is all the methods. Okay, our today topic is fulfilled. You can see how to generate Jmeter, HTML report in non-GUI mode load test. Yeah, it's done guys. That's all for this video. I will connect to my next video. Thank you for very much. Bye.